Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, Corel Draw with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, Filmora video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist.
This game happened between Levitsky and Frank Marshall in 1912. After the amazing combination, it was said that the spectators showered gold coins into the board. Levitsky opens with d4. And Frank Marshall replies with e6. The game as transposes into a French defense normal variation. White cannot capture the rook because the knight is ready to jump into f3 square with check, forking the queen and the rook. And the final sacrifice of the queen. And white resigns in this position. Aww. Now, let's analyze the position. If white captures the queen with his queen, then he is mated as follows. The h2 pawn cannot capture the knight because it is open check. And checkmate. What if h2 pawn captures the queen instead of white's queen? And checkmate. What if f2 pawn captures the queen instead of h2 pawn? And checkmate.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.